Hello, what's up people? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day as always. A very good morning to all of you. As you can see, the time is 5:52. Big shout out to Hemant Lightning Avan, bro. What a bike that is. So yeah, we're going out on a ride, like casual ride. Karthik is picking up my bike. I'm picking up Rajat's Harley, and he's on his 6R. So fuel level, okay. So get it done. Fine, let's just pick up the bikes and then continue with the vlog. Hello, shit, bega. Time to leave. On maಡು. Karthik, on maಡು. So long, bro. Ay. Picked up the 48. We're going towards Bell Road because Moin, you guys all know him, Moin, and photographer for today, Siddharth, waiting for us over there. So we'll just go to Bell Road, take them along, and we're planning to go to MG at South Street for the shoot. Where is this running? You wanna race? Huh? And Moin just joined us. They're on the Expulse in front of us. We have lost MG Road. We're heading towards MG. I'll take some pictures. Because the Church Street Road will pretty much be empty at this point. So we thought थोड़ा photo shoot कर लेंगे. बाहर आए तो अभी चला. done with the session. The photo shoot just ended. We're just leaving from Church Street, getting intense reaction over here. Let's check out the direct sunlight. I hope it is visible. Right. See some girls over here. Getting some rolling shots clicked over there. Nani is clicking it. I had to have some breakfast. Airlines, you guys would know about it. Going to airlines right now. Airlines ಗೋಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ದೋಸೆ ಗೀಸೆ ತಿಂದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ದೋಸೆ ಏನಾರು ತಿಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೊರಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವತ್ತಿಂದು ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಡೇ. Done with the breakfast. We are heading home now with Sid and mine. Hey, helmet dal re. Here are the bikes. Vipin bro is leaving. We have to go the other side. Other way around. So Vipin bro will scoot from here. We'll also scoot. Yeah. Karthik with Chiku. Vipin bro. Okay guys, so yeah, I guess that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and I hope you guys have stuck out and you're watching this part of the video. Whoa, what the hell, bro? So if you are, then please make sure to drop a like. Bro, I'm speaking to you guys and Chiku is like, huh? Okay, so never mind. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked the video. Please make sure to drop a like, drop a comment, and also comment whatever you want to watch in this channel so that I can make it happen for you guys. So signing it off, Asi Boy, Rajat KK. Links in the description. You can go follow him on Instagram, and see you in the next video. Tata, bye bye.
From the BART train to a tour bus, still the same game.